The question is, did you kill more people in that driving rampage than the killer has right now? Because you definitely at least killed 2 of the policemen when you rammed them. You know? And how many other people may have died due to road-related accidents?
Those are just KOs, you know?
Yeah.
KOs.
Just KO'd their soul.
Alright, you get to play as a woman now.
Yeah, this is how she comes into it. She's assuming the
Blood development, here we go.
2 inches.
Oh yeah, I ride a motorbike. Oh no. Oh sweet, it is me. Oh, it's bad to think I was really badass, but I remember it was all a dream.
No, this isn't great.
How are you badass? You got your throat slit.
Hey, I stabbed the guy in the face. Stabbed the guy in the face and kicked another one in the dick, so I think it counts for something. Oh my god, am I driving to a motel because I'm too scared to leave my own house?
Yeah, pretty much.
This bitch be crazy.
The atmosphere here is one of concern, as there is still no news of 10-year-old Sean Mars, who disappeared yesterday. A recent report indicates that the police...
No.
Man, that kid's gonna get... Oh.
Is this guy going to try and break me?
I don't think that could be her thing, though. Maybe.
I think
What can I do for you?
I'd like a room.
For you? Anything.
he's going to attack me in my sleep, isn't he?
This guy's too smooth for words, guys. Watch yourself out for the fire.
Doesn't she look like the girl from Black Books? Yeah.
Tamsin Gregg.
Yeah, it looks exactly like her. So they just used her face model.
No, she doesn't look that close to
It made her a
Tamsin.
bit more attractive.
Madison Page, 27. Single. How long will you be staying with us, Ms. Page?
I don't know yet.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right, in the courtyard.
Bloody hell.
This is like a pleasant place.
Thanks.
The pleasure was all
Don't take a
mine.
shower. We've all seen the Psycho.
What, Z-Tech goes in the shower?
Just go in.
Haven't you seen
I
Psycho?
really haven't. Well, do you mean Psycho or American Psycho?
Well, American Psycho's a different thing altogether.
Oh, okay.
Third floor.
What's Psycho then?
Upstairs.
Psycho's the classic movie by Alfred Hitchcock. American Psycho's the slightly newer movie, which is still pretty awesome, but with Christian Bale.
You know, Alfred Hitchcock had a thing of starring in films. He had cameos.
Yeah.
Like you just see him randomly walking around.
Alright, who's got pellet me this time? Come on, rape me, boys.
Okay, this
I'm
is why.
cold.
Yo, hey, get on with it.
Here we go.
I think you gotta go to the third floor, so you gotta find.
No, I'm looking upstairs.
There we go.
This guy's cool. How much shit is this?
There's no another flight? No.
No, this is third.
Right, go right. Yeah, you go the wrong way.
Sure.
Yes.
I'll take the whole way around, don't worry.
Hey,
Oh, what the hell?
oh, you talking about wasting time, aren't we?
My bad. Can I knock on these doors?
No. Keep going.
Wait, did you say third floor, third door on the left? Or was it second? Second. Oh, oh it's your side. Oh my god, it's Ethan!
It's Ethan.
Sir? Are you alright?
I'm so high right now!
I'll call an ambulance.
No, I'm alright, mystical elf. Put away your pocket lights.
Please, just help me to my room.
I knew she'd be Ethan's love interest.
It's number 207.
I knew it. Ethan needs all the help he can get. Oh, sorry. Wait, I'm seriously not.
No, not that way. You go the wrong way.
Oh, god damn it. You need a better camera. Dramatic.
207, you said, right?
Right there.
Well, that was a bit far.
Oh, wait,
Have you got the
hey, wait, the
key?
stairs are back there. He must have walked past his room to get to where he was.
No, there's another flight of stairs in the corner. There's actually a fourth one, I think, in the office. Where you got the keys.
God, it's Ethan camera. Oh, it's a double.
Huh.
It's a double. Oh, we're spooning. We're so spooning.
Thank you, mystical elf. I don't have any smurf berries to pay you with, but I'm sure my gratitude will be enough.
Must have one, maybe two broken ribs. It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep.
See, they're both like broken people, so they're like drawn to each other.
Hey, Hayden, you're a doctor. Go fix it.
Okay, what do I need?
Go to the
Clothes.
bathroom.
Damn it. Walk in circles. Close the toilet. Oh. Put the seat down.
Grabbing pills.
So many pills.
I should disinfect his cuts.
Ah, good plan.
No, put it back. Just take it to him.
Crap! My bad. Up again. There we go. So I'll use this to disinfect it, yeah?
I should disinfect his cuts.
Okay, so I just pour it on him.
Hayden, I thought you'd taken like first aid.
Yeah, I know, I just... Yeah, I did. I should know this.
It's why you're suited to play her, because she spends most of the
Oh,
time.
I'm gonna
I didn't know she had the
disinfect your
cloth.
wound.
Yeah.
This might hurt a little.
Damn it. Yeah, fair use.
God damn it, mystical elf.
You okay?
Alright, gently. Gently.
Sweet Jesus, man. Really normal.
See? Look how sensitive it is.
Look at his hair. It's so real.
There.
Nothing to graph.
At least it won't get infected.
Thanks.
Oh.
What else can you do? Painkillers.
It's amazing how Caucasian middle-aged people with brown hair are drawn to each other.
Find some painkillers.
Pain pills. I guess right.
Paraffenol anti-fever.
Nah,
Administer only in cases of high fever.
Okay, put that back. Stupid.
So that's the point. Have I actually seen anyone of any ethnicity in this game? Besides Caucasian?
Necophren 100
Mildly foreign
antibiotics.
shop assistant.
Administer to
Yeah.
combat infection.
What do I need
Which
this?
you thought was Italian.
That's up to Mr. Combat
Okay.
Infection.
Okay. Big one in the middle, which is down. There you go.
That's probably.
Paracamol painkiller. Administer
Yeah.
in cases of intense pain. Do not take more than one pill every 24 hours.
I'm gonna give him 5.
One of these magical berries, mystical elf.
Take this. It should do you some
What is
good.
it? Eat them all!
It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain.
Duh.
It says on the box to take one every 24 hours.
I'll eat all the
I don't
berries
think
I
it's a good
want.
idea to
Thanks,
exceed the dose.
bitch.
You just took 3.
Can't afford to wait.
I wouldn't move around for a few days if I were you.
I'm gonna take a shower.
You, sir, have no pancake mix.
All right, let me help you.
Oh no. Naked man shower scene coming
Just
up.
do it, Hayden.
Oh man. Jump in the shower with him and then we'll all be happy.
I'll wait here until you come out.
Ah!
Let me know if you need anything.
No, go in! Press circle, there's a shower. She's trying to peek, the little perv.
There you go.
Is that a shower?
That is an
Talk
option
to me.
peek on him.
That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Madison. Go back. Madison.
Oh, what's that? Was that?
Are you still
Press
there?
X.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna say.
Where's the
Yeah.
second?
Are you staying in the hotel?
Press X.
I'm pressing X.
No, I live in town.
You can't see the options because
I
you're zoomed
suffer
in.
from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why.
Right, what am I trying to...
Whenever I
where's
get
the
too
option?
exhausted, I come and spend a night
Sweet.
here.
I'm just passing through.
Hey, that's Stefan, not me.
And what else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
Okay.
Spirits. Oh, what?
In the minibar. It's a pretty crap minibar.
That water will cost you $10.
$10.
And I'm bored. Time some more photos.
Can't perv anymore.
Oh man.
Here he comes.
Thanks for staying. I feel a lot better now.
Oh, I missed the quick time event sound, man.
Okay.
Yeah, you did.
Ah.
I better get going then.
Precious dialogue.
Because you were perving on him. Gay boy.
By the way, you never told me your name.
You never told me yours either.
Ethan.
I'm Madison.
Be careful, Ethan.
Stop!
You're such an idiot, Hayden.
Oh,
Love you.
rewind.
Oh, if only.
What?
No! Oh,
No!
imagine if you wouldn't make you play him as well.
Go outside.
So brief.
Oh, go outside and talk to Madison. Oh, here's a box.
What's in the box?
Oh my god!
Sit down.
Alright, my next clue.
I'm always nervous again.
Here we go.
Number 2 is a... What is it?
So, if I unfold it, does it have the note? Oh, okay.
They're going to suffer today with something. All half
Oh, God. You need to invite Madison along. Did she come along?
No.
Kind
What are you
of,
asking me? Stop asking me stuff.
I just played this game. This is the Heavy Rain music, isn't it?
Actually, the whole thing is Heavy Rain music because it's the Heavy Rain original soundtrack.
Oh, damn.
Who's next?
Old cop. No,
Old cop
crazy
or-
FBI guy. I bet.
Yes!
Yeah.
Crazy FBI guy.